Hey foodies! Today we are making crispy homemade orange chicken. Better than takeout and easier than you think. If you've been craving that Panda Express style flavor, stick around and let's bring this sweet and tangy favorite to life. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. We've got orange chicken today and tons more crowd pleasers coming up. First, we want to peel the ginger. I use a spoon to peel. See how easy it is? Then we grate the ginger. We need 2 tablespoons grated ginger plus 1 teaspoon. I grated a lot more for other recipes. Then we grate some garlic. We need 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons grated garlic. We need 500 grams already cut up chicken thigh or chicken breast. Measurements are in the description box. Add half teaspoon salt plus a few pinches, 1.5 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, some white pepper, and 2 tablespoons each grated ginger and grated garlic. Mix it all up, cover, and marinate overnight. The next day, we prepare the wet batter. Combine half cup flour, 1/4 cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, about 3/4 cup ice water. Mix the batter by adding the ice water a little at a time. This is the consistency you want. Dip the chicken in additional cornstarch and set aside. Heat up oil in the pan. Dip the chicken that is covered with cornstarch in the wet batter and fry until golden brown. Hear how crispy it is? Put them in a warm oven so they stay crispy. For the sauce, grate 1 orange, making sure to grate just the very outer layer of the orange. Then squeeze the orange to get a little more than 1 cup of juice. Then strain the juice as we do not want the pulp. We should have 1 cup of juice without the pulp. I suggest preparing the juice ahead of time. These are the ingredients for the orange chicken. Put 1 tablespoon oil in the pan. Add 2 teaspoons grated garlic and 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Cook until they slightly turn color. Add 1 cup orange juice. Then add 1/4 cup low sodium soy sauce and 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. Add some white pepper, 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons light brown sugar. Cook until the sauce is reduced like this and it's starting to caramelize. Add the cornstarch solution, which is 1 tablespoon cornstarch diluted in 1 tablespoon water. Cook until thickens, then add the grated orange peel. You want to see the sauce thick enough to coat. Then add the chicken and cook to coat. Or if you want the chicken to stay crispy, you can drizzle the sauce on top. The orange chicken is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.